There might be one in the classic yard, maybe towards row like 10 or 12. But here's all the blazers.
So what's the story with this? What am I looking at?
You guys built it. You built it,
Yeah?
Drives, yeah.
It drives?
Yeah, we just took it down the Red River Drag Street now.
What is this engine that I'm looking at?
It's an airplane motor. In 17.
What's up, man? Oh, yeah, it's not bad.
So how many cylinders are in this?
This is the nickel, yeah.
7? That's a weird odd number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What?
They're odd nickel.
This is am I allowed to open this door?
Not really.
Okay, that's good
For you.
Thank you.
39 Plymouth pickup. You can steer, just like an airplane, you can steer from both sides. Both sides have braking gas. The gas is in the center. Pretty cool, huh?
And you guys all built this?
Bolero.
It's been on the Jay Leno's garage twice.
Jay
Jay Leno went for a ride in it. Yeah, he went for a ride in it.
What?
Yeah.
That's amazing. And you said a 39
Plymouth.
Plymouth.
Yeah. Plymouth made pickups from 37 to 41. That was it. It's a 39.
But I have a one.
Well, thank you for opening that. That was awesome.
No problem.